Unix groups. Set of users logically sharing same set of characteristics has given a name and it is called as a group. So every user in a particular Unix box is a part of at least one group. So to understand this concept of group, let us say there is an organization in which there are few people who are part of admin, few are part of HR department, and few are part of IT department. So there will be three groups called as HR, admin and IT, and these groups will have set of users. So this way, using Unix groups, we can classify the set of people in a particular group. Then the question is, why these groups? Now let us extend the same example, like HR people should be given access to users' salary slips, payroll system, and admin people should be given access to attendance of all employees. So giving the access for a particular file or for a particular system, there should be some mechanism, and that can be achieved using groups. So payroll system, in this system there can be some specification, like users of HR group should be able to access payroll system. Similarly, users of admin group should be able to access attendance system. So this way, using group, it becomes very easy to classify the set of peoples. A particular user can be part of more than one group as well. So on screen it is represented as X and Y. X and Y are two groups, and X1 and X2 are the users who are part of X group as well and Y group as well. So this way, using Unix groups, we can make our task very easy, and this is Unix groups, very interesting concept in Unix. Thank you.